think it's a little too gigantor. 18 inches. Lowe's number 2. This is the large. Love it. Smaller, better size. And the wheels are still really good. Yeah. Off to home. Reorganize my tools. Super excited about doing that. Voltage equals amps times resistance. Power equals voltage times amps. Anyway, I was reading through the book and something interesting. So there's 2 ways that a battery uses up its energy. One is called the flat discharge curve, where you have this useful battery life for a certain amount of time. You scratching over there? Oops. Anyway, so there's a flat discharge curve where it's like you have this useful use of energy, let's say a remote control, and then as soon as the batteries start to become lower in energy, lower in power, it'll start to decline. But it declines like steep, like significantly, very quickly. A declining discharge curve, which is the second graph, basically that battery, as soon as you put the battery in the remote control, it'll start to decline in energy. But you know what? I wonder if you can actually tell that that's going on in real life. I guess it depends on what you use that battery for, but I wonder like if with Duracell or like, you know, just 2 main battery brands like Duracell and Energizer, I wonder if you're able to tell like, okay, this AA battery works this way. Standard wall outlet like this is a single phase alternating current, which in a graph will look like this, just a single sine wave, as opposed to a 3-phase alternating current to signify current transmitted over major power lines. That would look like 3 sine waves. I don't really know how that would help me in the day-to-day, but I know I have to know about this theory stuff and the graphs, but I want to like get to the actual like it's because in the video I don't want to hear you scratching. I'm sorry. Wanna come up here? Cute boy. Thank you.